Many people assume they will never come up with a good business idea. I've got some great news for you. That's absolutely not the case. You can come up with great business ideas. In this video, I will provide you a lot of amazing business ideas. Now, starting a business is an exciting prospect. Many ideas, on the other hand, they need a time, money, and a certain amount of risk. Contrary to popular assumption, there are a variety of ways to establish a business that allow you to concentrate on getting started, rather than worrying about logistics and upfront fees. These low-cost small business ideas are ideal for beginners, bootstrappers, or anyone with a busy schedule, since they allow you to start a side business without having to drop everything else. This is quite reasonable. With so many ideas out there, it may be difficult to figure out which side business concept is right for you. With that in mind, I compiled this through a list of the most profitable business ideas you can start while working for a full-time job to provide you with inspiration and proven ideas that you can implement while keeping your day job and primary source of income in place. Please share your favorite business idea in the comment section below if I missed any great ones. Now let's get started. The first one is start a blog. This is one of the most cost-effective business ideas you can implement right now. Do you believe that blogging is no longer a viable source of income? Thousands of bloggers create a profitable content on a variety of topics, including scrapbooking, home cuisine, travel, movies, lifestyle, business, personal finance, and more. According to current blogging statistics, what's even better, it is not expensive to blog. Roughly $65 per year, more people are turning their blogs into six-figure businesses. Thanks for a combination of email subscribers, affiliate marketing, blog sponsorship, and other revenue streams. I recommend creating fast, affordable priced, and easy website hosting with a company like Bluehost. If you want to sign up and start your blog right now, you can find the link in the description below. It will walk you through the process of making a blog business plan and selecting a simple WordPress theme, and working on your first post to set the benchmark of prioritizing your time on your blog. You will also need to employ the correct blogging tools to help you expand your site. You will want to invest time in getting to know your readers once you have created your blog and begun to build community around it, so you can give them more of what they want. I understand how challenging it can be to learn how to make a blog, much along making money with one. The second way is dropshipping. Dropshipping is the practice of listing suppliers' products on your online store or selling platform without first purchasing the inventory. You and this supplier have an agreement that when a customer purchases a product, you will purchase it from the supplier and then the supplier will deliver it to the customer. Similar to affiliate marketing, except the user remains on your site. You are still selling things without the need for inventory, but you are in charge of the purchasing process. This type of e-commerce eliminates the need for storage and warehouse space, as well as the risk of cash being tied up in inventory, which is typically a big cause of cash flow problems for retail businesses. Selecting the correct products at the proper margin from reputable suppliers, focusing on certain niche, or looking for trends to capitalize on to generate a profit are all important aspects of starting a successful dropshipping business. For example, Finched Spineries will be a good example of this. You will then need to set up an online store and create accounts with the appropriate selling platforms, for example eBay. Customers can be reached by traditional digital marketing like social media marketing, email marketing, sponsorship marketing, and etc. If you are promoting on a platform like eBay, make sure your listing stands out with quality photographs, detailed description, and a positive feedback. Finally, finding the correct dropshipping supplier is crucial. You must ensure that they are trustworthy and their delivery periods are reasonable. You do not want customers canceling orders before they arrive. Many dropshippers are based in China. The lead time to produce and ship product can mean it can take several months to reach a customer in some cases. The third way is remote English tutor. Teaching English, believe it or not, it can be a lucrative business idea. Teaching and tutoring English as a second language is a fantastic opportunity to turn your skills into profitable business ideas, as well as allowing you to travel the world if you so desire. While complete English as a second language accreditation is preferred if you are a native speaker, there are people in countries like Hong Kong and UAE ready to pay you upwards of $25 per hour for you to teach them English over Skype. Now the fourth way is sell on Etsy. Selling handcrafted items on Etsy is a no-brainer if you make them. Do you have a talent for crafting or making other crafted items? Etsy is one of the world's largest independent platforms, with anything from bracelets, phone cases, rings, furniture, and more. It is ideal for everyone who is creative and wants to sell their homemade items. As long as you have the space, this might be one of the best home business ideas for a side hustle that can be started with a very little money. Then once you have established your brand and grown your own audience, you can launch your own e-commerce site and keep a large portion of the revenue from your product sales, making this a very lucrative potential business idea if you can find an audience that loves your product and figure out how to sell them online. Now the fifth way is delivery services. Because of the pandemic, more people are staying at home to be safe. That means delivery services have expanded dramatically. Online food delivery services alone are expected to grow by more than $104 billion by 2023. To capitalize on this trend, you could start your own local carrier to deliver groceries, medication, or run other necessary errands. You could charge extra fees for longer deliveries, rush orders, or delivering heavy or bulky items. Now we have come the last business idea. It is a proofreading. Proofreaders read and edit written content to ensure that there are no errors in grammar, spelling, or typography. The amount of content, particularly digital content, written and published each year is increasing at an exponential rate. This includes blogs, ebooks, land pages, or other forms of content. As a result, this is a significant of growing demand for proofreaders. There is a significant and growing demand for proofreaders. To begin proofreading, you must have a solid understanding of English literature and language. English is the primary business language globally, but you can focus on other languages. You will also need a keen eye for detail and the ability to quickly read skim written content for errors. You can start getting work proofreading by listing your service on platforms like Upwork or Clickworker. You can also offer your service to local business via email. Make sure there are no spelling or grammatical errors on your communication.